Heartiest greetings to one and all present here. Today, I, Ishika Seth from Elmastro Teaching Solutions, wholeheartedly welcome you all. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves as an educational service provider that is managed by a panel of experienced and eminent educationalists with cumulative experience of more than 10 decades. We cater to the individual needs of schools, teachers, students, and parents by providing the best of job opportunities for them. We also conduct webinars and workshops for the students, teachers, and parents to enhance their learning experiences. We request you to stay connected with us till the end of the session, as a feedback form will be shared with you at the end. You're requested to fill the form to mark your attendance. Certificate of participation will be issued based on that. So stay with us for an insightful session. Now, I would like to welcome our resource person for the day, Ms. Neha Chopra. Ma'am, it's a matter of great pleasure and honor to have you among us. Ma'am is a certified handwriting improvement training programmer from Pencraft Ideas Private Limited. Also, she's a certified calligraphy trainer from Likhavat Academy Private Limited. Ma'am is a pioneer in initiating various innovative techniques of teaching and novel competitions. She has been awarded for her outstanding skills at Delhi Art Marathon as well as Mumbai Art Marathon, organized by Kalakar Academy for 2 consecutive years, which are 2018 and 2019 respectively. Ma'am, on behalf of Elmastro Teaching Solutions, I wholeheartedly welcome you. I request you to take over the session.
Thank you so much for welcoming me. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Neha Chopra, and I'll be taking your session, hoping to give you best and along with lots of fun. So I think without wasting time, let's start. First, I would like to tell you what is calligraphy. Many people mix it with handwriting. Calligraphy is the art of writing, but that requires some specific tool and guidelines, right? But handwriting is, whatever you write randomly every time. All the students know what is handwriting, but it is absolutely different from calligraphy. Even people mix it with hand lettering. So handwriting is one thing. Second thing is hand lettering. In hand lettering, you just use any tool and write randomly without any specific rules or specific guideline or any specific tool. But in calligraphy, there are basic rules which need to be followed. And along with the rules, you need some specific tools. There's a wide range of categories in calligraphy. But today, as we have 7 to 13-year kids with us, so we are planning to take up for calligraphy. For calligraphy. Now, what is for calligraphy? For word means fake. But then why should we learn fake things? It's not like this. It's like for calligraphy means fake calligraphy. That means we try to copy the image of brush calligraphy and try to make it with ordinary tools. We don't need any specific tool in this. We can make it with pencil, pen, sketch pen, glitter pen, color pens, whatever we are having with us. The basic stationeries that are available with us is more than enough for calligraphy. And it just imitates the brush calligraphy. So first I'll tell you how kaise imitate hota hai, and then we'll proceed with the session. I would request all of you to please on your cameras, because then I feel that I'm just teaching the screen only. There's no one to see. And all of you will be muted. If there is any question, you can write in the chat and I'll try to solve your queries. Okay. I request you, all of you, please on your cameras. Yeah. Now just give me 2 minutes. I'll arrange my setting and then I'll be starting with the session. Just a minute.
I hope students, you are ready with your papers, pens, etc. Yes? Excited about it? Very good. You can use your thumbs up emoji or waving emoji to make the session more lively. Right? Any query you can put up in the chat box.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I hope this is clear. The board. Yes. So first and foremost, we will start with the very basic strokes. What we are doing is for calligraphy. FAUX. I will even show you how we are copying the image of brush calligraphy. See. For this, I'll make 2-3 strokes and then I'll wait for some seconds so that you can copy it down, and then I'll proceed further in this manner. So for the first stroke, it is just a slant thin up. We call it as thin up. Basic 2 fundas are there in this. Whenever we are going up, the stroke should be thin. Whenever we are coming down, it should be thick. Only these 2 things which has to be remembered. See how we are copying it. This is a brush pen. A brush pen has a very soft tip. With this, we are going up. So simultaneously, I'll be taking both brush and I'll be telling you how it is being copied. The second stroke will be a thick down. As I said, whenever we are going down, it should be thick. So we have to make it thick like this. That means we are adding weight to it. Adding weight means we are making it thick. You want, you can color it also. You want, you can leave it like this. This is upstroke. How will it be made with a brush pen? It will be made like this. A thick down. After this, it's an underturn and overturn. For the underturn, you have to just make a U and you have to add weight to this. How to add weight? It will be like this. As you'll come in the center, it will gradually reduce. You have to make it till the center. That means 1/2 of it will be thick, other half of it will be thin. Adding weight like this, gradually reducing and coming to the center. With the brush pen, it will be like this. Thin to thick. This is underturn. Now comes overturn. For the overturn, it is just the opposite. It is like this. You have to add weight. Again till the center. Like this. You want, you can fill the color inside. Now you can draw. I'm giving you some seconds to finish this off, and then we'll switch on to the next stroke again. And if you want me to repeat any stroke, you can write in the chat.
Neha ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
In case the students don't have this pen,
Ma'am, they can use the
pen, then
sketch pen. That's the
Right.
reason why I'm telling them from both.
Wonderful, wonderful. I hope students you are able to do it. Right? Yes. Show me your thumbs
Yes.
up. Show me your no. Aradhya is not able to. Aradhya, just send me message. What is there? What is the trouble? Yeah, ma'am. Aradhya is not able to understand. Aradhya, type in the chat box.
Okay, you type. I will repeat the stroke once again. No problem.
Ma'am, you can be bilingual so that students can understand it in a better way.
Okay, okay. I'll use Hindi also. No
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, from thick to thin. See, from thick to thin, what you have to do is, see, okay, I'm keeping it like this. For the underturn, you have to make a U. Once you have made a U, then you have to thick like this. The center part, it should come and meet here in the center. And you want, you can color it. When we'll make the alphabets, I will tell you how to decorate it also. But for the basic strokes, let it be like this. This is underturn, a U. Next will be the overturn. For the overturn, you make an upside down U and you can thick. Like this. Again, from the center. That means 1/2 thin, 1/2 thick. So we have made, this is overturn. We have made 4 strokes, thin up, upstroke, thick down, underturn, and the overturn. Now, the next will be the ovals. For the ovals, first I'll draw and then I'll explain how to make the oval. This way. Again, the center part. You have to start the oval from here. Then go around like this and then make this part thick. It's like this is the oval. After the oval comes a compound stroke. A compound stroke is a slanting way. You'll make an N and then you make a thick. Again, center. This is the center. This is a compound stroke. Now you can make these two. Just last 2 more strokes are left. And then we will be proceeding towards the smaller case alphabets. Any problem you can write in the chat. The second one is the upstroke. The third one is the underturn. The fourth one is the overturn. Then the ovals and the compound curve. Yeah, I'll be showing the full board afterwards. Now I have to zoom up for this. Achha, I need to explain the oval once again. Okay. See, from the center we'll start. We'll make an egg shape, go around and touch this part. We have to start from here and come back and again meet here. And then always remember weight will be from the center. That means 1/2 thick, 1/2 thin. Okay. Now we'll switch to the last two. Okay, for the last two. After this, I will show you a complete board of all the strokes. You can take a snapshot if you want. See, for the last, the ascending and the descending loop. First, I'm making ascending loop. This somewhat looks like P. And for adding weight, we have to add like this. This is the ascending loop. And descending loop will be like a D. Or you can make it like this. This is better. And again adding weight like this. This is used for the H loop. This is used for G, J, and all such. For the bottom loops, we use this. For the upper loops, for H, K, B, L, we use this loop. So this is the ascending loop. This is the descending loop. For the descending loop, it should be straight. Right. Now I'll show you the screen from a bit far so that if you want, you'll get to know all the strokes. Just one more minute and then we'll switch to alphabets. Alphabets are usually formed by mixing 2 to 3 strokes together. Few exceptional alphabets there in which some different strokes are used. But 80% of the alphabets we are going to make only from these strokes by mixing 2 to 3 strokes, by mixing 2 strokes. Okay, I need to explain the oval. If you have problem in ovals, look here again. We'll start from this point. And coming back to this point. This way, the oval is drawn. And adding weight will be like this. Okay, just few more seconds and then the alphabets. The alphabets which we are going to do, we're going to do it category wise, not sequence wise. Yes. Okay, you want me to zoom? I'll zoom it like this. Yeah. Now I think it's enough. We'll switch to the alphabets. Now I'm changing the screen. Now we are going to start with the lowercase letters, the category wise. First, the most easy letters we are going to do, that is I. For the I, it should be a thin up, a thick small down along with the curve. or you can make partial underturn. Underturn, but it should be till here. Then you can take it like this. Again, this is the center. In all the letters, you have to remember this. Okay, you're not able to see. Is the screen blur? Okay, I'll try and check my brightness or something. Wait. Increase it. I think it's better now. Okay. This and then followed by a dot. I will explain all the alphabets of this category. And then you can. Now comes the L. Same, a kind of undertone only we have to draw. And then this is L. And same way we make T also. I, L, and T. They are made in the same manner. I'll again explain. I, you have to just make a thick down and a curve. Like this, and a dot. Next will be L. In the same manner, L.
Neha ma'am, sorry to interrupt.
Yes, ma'am.
Students are feeling that you are moving a little bit fast. So let's go a little bit slow. Even if it's 2 strokes, let them learn it in a proper way.
Okay,
Yes?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Agree, bache?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Okay. And last is T. Yes, so these 3 alphabets come in this category. In these 3, if you have doubt, I'll repeat. Do write in the chat. You want, you can take the screenshots. Okay, I'll repeat once. I, a entrance, then a thick down, and just you have to add weight. In the same manner for L also. And in the same manner for T also. A thick down and then a curve. Then an exit stroke. We should always make a habit of making this entrance stroke and the exit stroke. Then only we'll be able to join the words.
Very good, Hardik. Wonderful.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Really nice, Hardik.
Really nice. Great attempt. I hope I should switch to the next. Okay. Now we are going to take ovals.
Tashvi is also showing. Tashvi is wonderful, wonderful, very beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
Drisha, Drisna is also showing. Wow, Rachit. Very good, Rachit. Yes, ma'am?
Yeah,
You're
actually
doing
kids
fabulous.
are very smart.
Yes, it's really wonderful. Oh, wow, Rachit. Rachit, cutting. Avoid cuttings.
Yeah, scribbling.
Really wonderful. Yes.
Yeah, you start
Oh,
with pencil
Ashwin.
and then you can do it with sketch pen. There is no problem.
Yeah. Oh, Sneha is also showing. Wonderful. Sneha, very good. So my kids are actually enjoying, ma'am.
Oh, that's great.
Manan, Mansha, Niharika, Kashvi, wonderful. Manpreet. Wow, Muskan. Muskan has done good. Advait has done wonderful. Nihar, Muskan, Advait, Anubhav, Gitika, wonderful.
Yash.
Maisha, very good.
Yes,
Very good.
yes. Vedant, Yash.
Yes, 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 yes.
Nice, nice. Very good. Okay, we'll switch to the next and then we'll again get back to you. Okay. Now, with the ovals, almost all the letters are done with ovals only. We'll start with a small entrance stroke, followed by an oval connected to this. This connection point should not be seen. It should be merged with the line. After this, add weight like this. And then again, जो underturn वाला stroke होता है, उसी stroke को बनाना है आपको, but partially. Underturn में, it's a thick. That's it. This is a. Ovals में थोड़ा सा problem होता है initially, but no problem. Practice से आ जाएगा. But ovals should be perfect ovals. It should start from here. Again, I will tell you. The ovals should start from here, go like this, and yeah. I'll explain the A again. An entrance stroke connected to the oval, then add weight to it, and then the underturn. It's like this. Remember, whenever we are connecting anything to the oval, the negative part should be very clearly seen. तभी समझ में आएगा कि हाँ, whatever you have made it correctly. See, this is the negative space. And this negative space only adds beauty to the alphabet. Basically, you'll see a triangle. One triangle and two triangle. In almost all the alphabets where there is some connection, you have to show it like this. मतलब आपको खुद को जब पता होना चाहिए हम सही किए हैं या नहीं, वो ये तरीका है दिखने का. Like this, negative spaces. In the same manner, O is just an oval like this, and then a thick, again adding weight and an outstroke. थोड़ा सा इसको thick कर दो. This is O. O is quite simple. See, those who are small and can't manage with the pen, they can initially write with pencil and then overwrite with sketch pen and then can erase it. You can color it, and there are various ways in which you can decorate your alphabets. Like, you can color it completely once. You can do the shading part. How you can do the shading? Take two colors and you can shade it like this. This way, you can even decorate your letters. As we'll go further, I'll keep on explaining you more about how to make your alphabets more and more beautiful. Chalo. Next we will take is B and D. They are almost the same. For the B, a thick down. A thick down. And then you have to connect it to the oval. It's an oval. You don't have to make a semicircle. And adding weight, you have to add weight this side. Why so? Because the weights are always parallel to each other. And those who can't understand parallel, since they are small kids also, you just understand कि एक साथ दो weights नहीं आना चाहिए. It should be in front of each other, parallel. Okay. And again, see the negative spaces here. The negative spaces are this and this. Two triangles again. B. And same way is D. Again, it's an oval. Don't make a semicircle. Semicircle doesn't look good. It should be an oval. See. Okay, I'll repeat the B and D again. A thick down followed by an oval. And for the D, again, it's a thick down, but oval on the other side. See, this part should be seen. The negative spaces enhances its beauty. And in the same manner, it's P, a thick down, connected to the oval. And again, the weight should be parallel. It will come this side. And in the same manner is Q. Isliye I'm doing it category wise, so that it is easy for you to make and easy for you to understand. You're not going alphabetical order. Hope this is quite clear. It's very simple till here. You are doing, in the meanwhile, I'll just decorate the alphabets. Okay, I can do some polka dots like this. See, the biggest benefit of this for calligraphy is, if you're making it with sketch pen, it will be like the size will be a bit bigger. But if you're making it with gel pens, suppose you have to make some project. In the project, you have to give the heading, but the heading should be small. You can use a gel pen or a colored pen also, which has a thin tip. So that will let you write very small alphabets also. So there is no limitation of how big your alphabet should be. It's all up to you, but it should be proportional. And it's widely used in, I should say, making projects, greeting cards, various assignments that you get. CBSE as such give lots and lots of assignments. So it will be a great help to all the kids. Even you can make flowers inside. Okay, like here. You can decorate it like this. You can make small, thin lines, horizontal, vertical. You can make checks, n number of variety. How to? Yes, you can even doodle inside the alphabets. So decorating the alphabets all upon your creative skills. Okay. In this category, only this much is there. One simple alphabet is left. Yes, that has nothing to do. Yeah, we'll explain it with the loopy one. Fine. So I'll just check with everyone. Hope almost all of you have done. Yeah, I'll wait for a minute more and then we'll switch to the next category. Oh, that's nice, Rachit. Tashvi, good Tashvi. You can even make the alphabets bigger also. No problem. Oh, Vedant. Nice, Vedant. You can use various colors instead of black. Yes, Drishana. Use more colors, better it will look prettier. You can even use 2 colors. Just do the shading of light colors on the top and dark color on the bottom. That looks even prettier. Yes, Myra. Nice. But try making it a bit more bigger. Oh, wow. Kids are really doing great. Sneha, Priyanshi, well done. Yes, Bhavya, nice. Oh, wow. What a perfection. Nice. Even you're making so crisp at the first time. Niharika, they're really good. Who is this? Jivraj Dhawan. Excellent color combination. Chalo, nice. Now we'll switch to the next category of alphabets. I'll just change the screen now. Okay. Yes. Now we'll take the underturn and overturn. In this category, wait. Now I think the screen will be better. Okay. The underturn and the overturn. In this, first we'll make H. For the H, it is a thick down followed by an underturn. This is the underturn, right? And adding weight this side. This is H. In the same manner, wait, I'll explain you H once again. One thing which need to be understood is, see, you have to start from the bottom. ऐसा नहीं है कि you line खींचा and you बस ऐसे turn कर दिया. No, it's not like this. You have to start from the very bottom. जब तक आप bottom से start नहीं करेंगे, negative space नहीं आएगा. And without negative space, it won't look good. So always take care of the that. Alphabets हमेशा नीचे से ही start होंगे. And regarding the negative space, the negative space यहाँ पे है ये triangle. The next will be your N and M. It is like this. Keep on adding weight. Again, you have to start from the bottom the way you did in H. And like this. And now again, add weight. It's the overturn. This is also overturn. This is also an overturn. And in the same manner will be your M. See, M में once you have to add weight here, ये tail नहीं निकालना है आपको क्योंकि आपको एक और under overturn add करना है उसमें. And again an overturn like this. And one very important thing to remember, whenever you are adding weight, this should be equal. कहीं thick, कहीं thin नहीं आएगा. All the weight should be of equal width. Else your alphabets won't look beautiful. To enhance the beauty of the alphabet, you have to take care that all the widths are equal. Whether you're writing a letter or whether you're writing a word. See, here are the negative spaces. I hope these are clear. If you want me to repeat anything, let me know. Yeah, you can write in the chat if you want me to repeat anything. Then we'll move towards the undertones. Yeah, B and D comes in the oval. Okay, I'll do with the undertones and then I will look into your work. For the undertones, there are U, V, and W. So for the U, a thin entrance. I think this color is not so clearly visible. I'll take a darker color. Thin up, then an undertone, adding weight this side, and again an undertone you have to make, but that undertone should be till here. This is U. Okay. Okay, Karanpreet, I'll be repeating M and N after U, V, and W. Okay. We will be like this. Bas, very simple. And W will be 2 times of U. 1. You have to make 3 undertones in that. See. U has 2 undertones, 1 complete undertone followed by a half undertone. In W, it's 3 undertones. I will repeat it. See, for the U, 1 undertone followed by a second undertone. Adding weight here, adding weight here. For the W, for the W, you have to make 1, 2 complete undertones and 1 partial undertone. And V is the super simple, just a slant like this, and then again, जैसे normal V लिखते हैं हम वैसा ही है, just you have to add weight this side. You're drawing the alphabets. In the meanwhile, I'll do some decorations. So simultaneously, we'll make our alphabets also look beautiful. Okay, you can add multiple colored dots also. See, multiple colored dots. That also looks good. Yeah, I have to repeat M and N, right? Yeah, I'm repeating. Just give me a minute. N. It's like an overturn, again followed by an overturn. 1 overturn, add weight to it. Then again an overturn. Add weight to it. This is N. And for the M, you have to make 3 undertones, sorry, overturns. 1 is this, second is this, and again a third overturn like this. Okay, I hope now it's clear. Now I'll review your work. On your cameras, please. Yes. All are doing great. Nice, Advika. Nice work. Please on your cameras. Then the session will become even more fun. Oh, the color combination is excellent, Jivaj. Nice, Manan. Okay. Yes, you have a doubt, you can write in the chat. Because I can't mute anyone. Sorry, can't mute anyone. Nice, Tashvi. Yes, Vedant, good. You're using bright, bright colors. Nice. Very nice, everyone. Anubhav, good. Oh, Gurleen. Very nice, Gurleen. Advita Singh, very nice. Yeah, the color combinations are excellent. Chalo, enough now. One more thing that I have to say is, after coloring this, you can even do the outline of it. That will also look good. Outline with the black. That will also enhance your letters. Now switching to the loopy letters. That is the ascending and the descending loop. In this category, we have G. Okay, again, this color is not visible. Wait. Then connect it to the oval. Add weight to the oval. And then you have to make a descending loop. This is a descending loop. Adding weight this side. If you want, you can extend this loop like this. If you don't want, you can keep it till here only. I know G is a bit tricky. I'll explain you again. Connect it to the oval. Like this. This is a descending loop. G. G, J, and F. Now J is so super simple. Just an entrance stroke and then a descending loop. This is J. Now comes the F. For the F, this is the tallest among all the alphabets. Make a complete F and then just add weight straight down. That's it. This is what is F. Okay. You're drawing this. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how these are written with the brush pens. How we are copying it. See, for the G, like this. Then we are going down and a thin. So we are copying this image of brush pen with ordinary pen to make it look like brush pen. Because it's not possible कि हर किसी के पास brush pens हो. Secondly, there are small kids who can't handle the brush pens. So they can use for calligraphy. They can learn for calligraphy. So it is for them who don't have the brush pens, and even bigger ones who don't want to learn brush pen, they can easily do this for calligraphy, as they are very easy, can be made with any kind of pen. You can even use glitter pens, the sparkles, to add and give it a different touch. It's all upon your creative skills to decorate it. G, now the J. This is the J. And now the F. This is the F. One more thing I remember, if you've written something with dark color like this, okay, then you can use a white color pen and you can make something in that. Or you can use a glitter pen. If there is a light color with which you are writing, you can use a darker pen for that. I think थोड़ा तो clear हो रहा होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं तो. See, you can make curls. I have one thing I'll show you. Wait, that is quite easily visible. Okay. See this. The Queen. It's written with for calligraphy. I've used different shades. And then I've added some glitters to it. So this is also one way of doing it. Yeah. Now I think I should go ahead. Now what is left? Now the alphabets, those alphabets are left, which are actually very much different and nowhere connected to the basic strokes. I'm just taking it up fast, and then we are going to write names of few of the students. Few of the kids who have joined this webinar, we're going to write the names of them and few words also. As the Christmas is approaching, so I've thought of few words related to Christmas that we're going to write. Sure. Now, the letters which are left. Okay. I think the letters which are left are S for the S and just a curve. And then like this. I'll repeat it. The structure is like this. इसमें आपको weight को reduce करते जाना है, तभी proper S का structure आएगा. Like thick से thin, 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 and then merge it. Okay, S. Now comes C. C is so super simple. Just make 3/4 of the oval, I should say. And then add weight to it. That's it. And same way, if it's E, add weight to this and turn it. That comes E. Okay. Then next comes K. For the K, a thick down followed by a shape like this. ये कुछ अलग ही है. And wait, बस हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके ऐड कर देंगे. That's it. This is our K. S-C-E-K. Now I think only R, X and Z are left. I'll make it and then I'll wait for your doubts. This is your R. Simple cursive R जैसे लिखते हैं exactly वैसे ही आपको लिखना है. And then सिर्फ यहीं पे weight add करेंगे. Okay, I'll repeat the E again. C. Make a C, add weight to it, and then just turn it. Simple. Now X and Z. X is again the cursive X, and for adding weight, it will be like this. Bus. It's not done properly. X. And the last will be Z. For the Z, 1, like this. I'll repeat this again. A tilted U followed by, this is your descending loop. For adding weight, see, a bit tricky how to add weight here. For this part should be clear. ये वाला जो part है ये clear होना चाहिए and एकदम thin होना चाहिए. सिर्फ weight add करेंगे आप जो आपके curves हैं उसी में. This part में weight add करने से वो Z नहीं कुछ और ही लगने लगेगा. Okay, so again this way and like this. Adding weight only here and here. So this completes all the alphabets. You write in the chat which I have to repeat so that I can repeat, and then we'll start framing words. Y. Acha, I have missed Y. Right. See, for the Y, you have to first make a underturn, right? And then followed by a descending loop. Okay? Here and here. Q I have done. P and Q are opposite to each other. I have done Q. I have done T. I, L and T. It's like this. That's it. And we don't cut, then it becomes L. And yes, you can color it. I'm using a neon green color to color it. That looks wow. And then I'll again add black dots to it. It's not exactly visible in the screen, but this neon green color looks really good. You can even use these curls and spirals also for decorating. You can even use 2 to 3 colors also. Or you can take a black outline. and fill it inside with some different color. Yes, I also have done. No problem, I'll repeat it again. I. Now next, last 1 minute, and then we are switching to words. How to connect words. सिर्फ alphabet लिखने से तो होगा नहीं, until unless you know how to write your name. And at the last, there's a surprise. Question and answer session के साथ में there will be a surprise for you all. Okay, I have to repeat the F. F. It's the normal cursive F, adding weight here. Okay. Now once I'll see your work and then we'll write the letters. Just a single moment. Please switch on your cameras so that I can also enjoy the way you are enjoying. Because I'll be writing few of your names only for those cameras which are on. Only those who can see me and I can see them. Else there's no point writing the name. Nice, Meher. Beautifully done. Nice, Pranj, Goel. Muskan, beautiful. Try to do the shading. Instead of using only one colors, you can do the shading part. Yes, nice kids. You're really doing great. Okay, I think all the letters are clear. Let's write some words. I'll again put the screen here. Wait. Yes. What we'll write first? We'll write fun. See how we connect words. Fun. For this, F. Okay. You take out one exit stroke. Now you connect it to underturn and second underturn. Add weight to it. Adding weight to F also. And now N. Connection is done through the entry and the exit strokes. See, N say you took out this, that will become the exit stroke. And this will become the entry stroke for the next alphabet. So, like this. Fun. And next we'll write hope. See, for the H, H. See, this exit stroke became the entry stroke for the next alphabet, O. Now, this exit stroke again became the entry stroke for the next alphabet, P. And now E. So this way we join and we write. Now I can decorate it. I can color it. I can color it partially also. Fine. I'm coloring with the other color and I've drawn it with the other color. This also gives a good impact. See. But you should remember while adding weight, the weight should be same of all the letters in a word. Initially, you can use rule sheets if you're not comfortable, but later on, when you have to write in a plain paper, you can draw lines with pencil and scale. And as you finish your work, you can just erase it also. Okay. Now I'll show you how do we write it with brush pen. This way you can write it with brush pen. Hope. I don't think so. It will accommodate. H. E. See, this is the basic way of writing. Later on, once you're comfortable with this, you can advance it, you can add some flourishes. These are called as flourishes. Once you're comfortable and you have done with the basic, then you can add flourishes to it. Like I have done here. I'll show you. Wait. See this one. Various tails are here and there. So these are the flourishes which we add to alphabets to beautify it. Fine. So I think that's all. I'll take up a few names. Would Poonam ma'am suggest me some names?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Ma'am,
So
Tashvi is doing it very well. Vedant has written Fun Hope in an amazing way.
yeah.
Guradya.
So I'll write Tashvi first.
Wow, really wonderful. Students, what you need to do is you need to click your photograph with what you had done and share it with me. Share it by 3 p.m. Right? All of you had done the work. Bhavya, very good. Sneha, wonderful. Rachit, you had written it very nice.
Yeah, even the color combination is very
Color
beautiful.
combination is very good.
Very,
Karanpreet,
very nice.
Karanpreet is also doing very good. Karanpreet, are you doing it? Wow, very good. Shruti,
Seriously?
wonderful. Yash, very good.
I'll write
Very good.
Tashvi.
I hope my students are enjoying it. Anubhav, wonderful. Asta has also done very nice. Anubhav.
It seems as if they
Good
know. Matlab in the
Yes,
first go, they are doing it so nicely.
very nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Would you like to have more sessions? Yes, okay. Very good, very good. So many yes all together. Wonderful. What you need to do is right now I will be clicking, sending one form there in the chat box, right? Each one of you need to fill up your feedback there. One thing, when you will fill the feedback, then only you will be getting the certificate of participation, right? Second thing, you need to share your photograph with the work done with done, right? Send it by 3. Okay. Any queries that you have, you can put in chat box. Neha ma'am will solve the queries.
Yeah.
Neha ma'am, it's really wonderful session with you. It's amazing. I also learned all these strokes. I will also share my photograph.
Great.
It's really wonderful.
Now, if we'll start the question session, before that, I would like to paste something on the board for the kids to wish them Merry Christmas. And if kids want, they can copy it down.
Sure, ma'am.
That will be a great surprise for them.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah. So first I'll write few names. Tashvi, then Vedant. I'm using the brush pen.
Wow, Tashvi, first one. Wow.
Then Vedant.
Yeah.
And you all can write your names. Yes, Vedant.
Students are writing their names in the chat box. They want their names to be written.
Okay.
Why don't you try? Why don't you try to write your own name and show it to us?
Yes, we'll be
Okay,
lot
this
happy.
is going to be your work. Write your name, click your photograph with your name and share it with us. Right? Ayan has done. Wonderful, Ayan. Fun, hope. This is wonderful, Rachit, but you need to write your name now.
Yes, you all write your names.
Mehar, Aditya, wow, Smriti. Mehar, you are very fast. You have done wonderful. So fast.
Okay, I'll write
Written so many
name.
names. Very good. Very good.
Even Meher, Gurleen.
Yes. I could see my children doing it.
Yeah, so happy to see
Wow.
them. So
Myra,
nice.
Advik. Wow. Gitika has written her name very nicely. Wonderful, Gitika.
See, this is Meher's name.
Right. You need to click your photograph with your name and you need to share with us, right?
See, Meher, I've written your name.
Wow, very nice.
Now I'll write Gurleen.
So I feel this calligraphy give wings to our imagination as well.
Actually, you can fly like anything.
Yes.
You know, kabhi, you know, when some task has to be done, sote bhi wahi yaad aata hai. Oh, aisa kar lena tha. Even in the kitchen while preparing roti also.
Yes.
Everything, whatever.
So this will make our students projects also, subject enrichment activities, all projects that you are doing.
Yeah.
Will make it beautiful.
And the more creativity you can add to it, the
Yes,
beautiful.
definitely. More we practice, more we learn.
Practice is a must.
Yes. Gurleen. Gurleen's name is also here now. Wow. So it's really wonderful, really wonderful. So
okay.
I hope all of you enjoyed it. Say thank you to ma'am there in the chat box. Thank you, ma'am. We enjoyed it. It's really wonderful, Neha ma'am. You had put up so much efforts on for us.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Thank you very much. Bache, I had shared the link there in the chat box.
See.
Click on the link, mark your attendance. Neha ma'am, Christmas. Wow, you had used the polka dots and all.
Everything I've used in this so that kids can get idea kahan pe kaise
Really
kya use
wonderful.
karna chahiye.
So you can make your, beautiful Christmas cards and give it to Mama and
Yeah.
Papa. Why Mama and Papa need to be Santa Claus for you all the time, hai na?
The reason why I made this so that you can at least make a
Yes.
Christmas card out of this
Yes.
session. Attend
Be a secret Santa for your Mama Papa and give them a beautiful card, right? Yes.
It's a goodie bag.
It's a goodie bag. Yes.
Virtually, you can do everything. So,
Yes.
and meanwhile, if there are some questions, I can take up and kids can make this. And someone was saying they want to click the pic of the board, so I'll show them the entire board. Once, wait. Okay. I hope it's clear. No. I have to go back.
Neha ma'am, one query from Navya's side. She wants to learn how to make V. She had mentioned many times in the chat box. It is missed by us.
Okay, okay. No problem. I'll make it for you now. There's no problem at all. I'll just sure. We.
Rachit, wonderful. Very good. Very nice.
Just the way you make your ordinary V, you have to make it that way. And then you have to make a loop like this. That's it. And adding weight is on this side. And this is for calligraphy, the easiest one. Other than that, there are various other calligraphies, basically the broad edge calligraphies, in which we need some special tools, which has a cut. Like we do Gothic, we do italics, even we do Hindi, Devanagari. So for that, we'll be needing some special tools. They are also very interesting. And even this brush calligraphy has many levels, 2 to 3 levels. As per the difficulty, the level also increases. Yeah, one thing that I have to show you. See, made this. Is it clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
In this, I've done this spirals with a white color.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yeah. So this is also one way of adding some different color. To the dark color, you can add white. To the light color, you can add black, gray, brown. So this also looks beautiful. And then you can make various pine trees, Christmas trees around if you want.
Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, Neha ma'am. Thank you very much for sparing your time from your busy schedule and enlightening us with all this wonderful session.
That's my
really wonderful. We all enjoyed it too much. Hardik, Rachit, all of my students, they are waving. They're saying we enjoyed it. Just switch on your cameras and show me your smiles once with your work.
I too enjoyed a lot teaching you all.
Very good, very good, very good. Do share your photographs with me. Very good.
Make one Santa here, sitting here. All up to you. Imagine and keep creating and creating.
Google form link has been shared in the chat box. Click on the link, mark your attendance, then only leave the session, not before that. Else you will not get certificates. आज था 2 मिनट बिना मैं अनाउंस Okay, wonderful. Thank you, kids, for joining us. Now we are ending the session. We will have more sessions in days to come. Right? Would you like to join us? Enjoy it? Wonderful. Yes, Yashvi has done, Vedant has done, thumbs up. Meher, wonderful. Meher, you have very beautiful smile. Aradhya, wonderful. Yash, yes. Shruti, yes, wow. Karanpreet has written wonderful best. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Neha ma'am.
Yeah, most welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day. Thank you. Waiting for your photographs with your names.